Want to see how I transformed my hair from this to this? Then keep watching. Don't go anywhere. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I refresh my mini braids. For those who have watched my previous videos, I did a 5 weeks mini braid update, and this is what my hair is looking like, guys. It's looking gross. Yes, there's some frizz right there, lots and lots of frizz. Keep watching because I'm going to transform this hair from what it's looking like right now to something better. So what I'm just doing right now is just sectioning some parts of my hair. Like, I want to begin from the front section because I'm not going to be doing the entire hair in one sitting. You don't want to refresh your mini braids in one sitting. Like, this hair is too much for me to handle in one sitting, so I'm going to be doing it as I go. So I'm starting with the front section so that wherever I stop I can just put my hair in a bun and nobody will notice that something is going on. So I first of all pick out some of these braids and I start by unraveling from the ends. Of course, I twisted the ends of my hair 2-3 inches upward. So then I'm using my wooden parting comb to go into the braids and take them down. Braids are not fun to take down, like they are not fun at all. So if you are stressed, if you are tensed, if you are simply not in the mood, please don't do this because you're going to lose a lot of hair. And also, if you're in your period, please don't take down your hairstyle because you're going to lose a lot of hair. If you're just not in that space to handle your hair, please don't do that. So I done with this section. With this braid, I'm just going to slide my hands through it a couple of times just to get shaded hairs out of the way, because of course this hair has been like this for 5 good weeks. At the time I'm doing this video, I'm making this video, my hair is 5 weeks already. So of course there were a lot of new growth, and I did share that in my previous videos where I got some parts 1 inch, some parts half an inch. If you have not watched that video, go and watch that video before this one because I literally showed you guys all my new growths. So I'm rebraiding back. I take down each braid, I rebraid back. But I'm going to be doing something in this video as I'm rebraiding my hair. I'm going to be combining some braids together because of course my braids are very small, and I encountered a lot of challenge while rebraiding my hair, which was not fun at all. So in preparation for the end of my 3 or 4 months challenge, I'm going to be adding some braids, like combining some braids together. So like this particular one, there are 2 braids I added together. So I'm just making sure that the ends are well separated, because guys, if you don't do this and you twist them back up, you're going to be forming more tangles at the end of the day. So because I twisted the ends of my hair, that is why I'm having these coils at the ends of my hair. So as you can see, my ends are pretty much okay and nice and healthy. So I'm going to put this back in one braid. I took down 3 braids, but at the end of the day I'm having 2 braids. So this is what I decided to do, like overall my entire head of hair, because I didn't want to have those tiny braids, like very small braids. So I had to combine some of them that I felt they were too small. And yeah, so I did this part, and I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of the front section, and then I'll call it a day. So like I said, guys, I'm not going to be doing this in one day. and overall it took me a couple of days to take this hair down. Not as if I can't do this in one day, but I'm not going to stress. I don't want to just go into that.
One eternity later.
After 4 good days, guys, 4 whole days, I left this part of my hair so that you can see my hair in its loose form, how it is. So this is one braid. I didn't need to combine this one with another one, so I just took this down, and as you can see, this is my hair, guys. This is my hair. I'm so happy for my length and how I'm consistently able to retain most of my length. And so I just braid that section back up, and that is it, guys. I don't know if it's noticeable that I combined some of my braids. Like in the previous one, I think I had more braids than this, so it should be like, it didn't feel like I combined some of the braids because my hair was still looking full, like my braids were still looking full. But this is it overall. So this is how I rebraid my hair, like just one braid after the other, one braid after the other, so that I don't go insane, because it's really going to take time if you decide to do this in one sitting. So, and I have lots and lots of things to do, so I just decided I was going to take my time. Even if it took me 1 week, I was going to do that. So it's just a matter of doing maybe the front section, then the back section, then the side, and even if you want to go out, you can just pack them up in a bun, and nobody will notice that you're doing something with your hair. So this is it, guys. I just applied some oils, did a scalp massage, and as usual, I put my hair back in my ponytail and braided the ends of my hair, because that is my secret. If you're itching to know my secret, that is my secret. I simply just protect the ends of my hair so that I don't encounter any form of breakage. So that is it, guys, for today's video. If you do enjoy it, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video. Thank you, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.